next stop?
All right, we're on going to stop number 3, which is Ethel M Chocolate Factory. It's about a 5-minute ride, so when you get back in the vehicle, it's not very long for you to get to the next stop to taste the next chocolate. And this Ethel M is celebrating their 40 years in Nevada. Again, it's something that's native to Nevada that people really enjoy because you can't experience that anywhere else. You can order Ethel M chocolate online, like so many things, and have it shipped to you. But actually going into another location, there's only one in Glendale, California, and then everything else is in Nevada. So the chocolate is amazing. It has no preservatives, and you're going to get to sample that. And you're going to go through the chocolate factory. Depending on when you come to Ethel M, different things are going on within the factory. So some days they're making fillings, some days they're making chocolate. It's always a surprise to us what they're actually doing, and of course based on the season. Then when we finish going through the factory, there's also a 300 species cacti garden if you'd like to walk through that. Again, some people choose to do it, some people are not interested, totally up to the client, but you have enough time, and we give you enough time to do so.
Okay.
Again, shopping on your own if you like for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be on our way to our 4th and final destination after that.
And we don't want to forget that we have, you can bring for your chocolate tour, to always have your Vegas Fun card.
Absolutely.
Right.
Gotta have it.
Okay, we are here.
We are here. Look at Ethel M Chocolates. Again, 40 years. What's really interesting, they've been in this location, and imagine 40 years ago there was nothing around them. So now you have office parks and you surrounding them, and a lot of people, if they don't know it's here, they don't know it's here because it's kind of covered, right?
Yeah.
But 40 years ago it was the only thing.
That's true.
So holidays, which is really neat, there is a Christmas lights. The whole cacti garden is lit up at night, and it's an attraction to come at night. So there, sometimes people want to integrate doing the chocolate tour at night during December because they want, when we come here, to see all of the lights.
Okay.
All right, but let's go inside. Let's see the chocolate factory. We're going to taste the chocolate, and want to hear what you
Look
think
at
of
that.
the chocolate.
See, everyone's always including their, catch us on Instagram, Facebook.
Absolutely, right?
Get the experience.
Get the experience.
All right.
There are some upgraded experience, by the way, with our tour. And you see how it says virtual chocolate tasting? They're also, that was during COVID. Now they're
Virtual?
Yeah.
How do you even taste
They send you, and then you do
Oh,
this
that's
thing.
wonderful.
But now it's come back where we can do the wine and chocolate tasting. So that's an added component to our existing package.
Okay.
And then some people like to do that, and then we come back later and pick them up.
Okay.
All right, so come on in.
Good. No pets allowed, guys. They can't eat the cactuses.
Look at that.
Ooh,
Mojave milkshakes.
milkshake.
Yeah. After you.
Thank you.
Headed right into the chocolate tasting. Hey, how are you guys? Good. That's the actually private room where you will have the wine and chocolate tasting, or the chocolate
that's
tasting
wonderful.
by appointment. That's scheduled.
Okay.
She's going to give you the tasting. Chocolate, dark chocolate, or milk?
Dark chocolate.
All right.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like milk? I do milk.
There you go.
Thank you so much. So come on in.
So-
Take a look over here. Remember this morning? See, 40 years anniversary. This morning we saw the car at M&M World.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Okay, you're going to
So
see.
they all kind of like came together.
Yes, and I'll tell you a little bit about that in a little bit. Started here in 1911. It tells you the history right here. Forrest Mars Sr. and Ethel M. M stands for Mars. It's Forrest Mars' mom. There we are right there, founded in 1981 by Forrest Mars Sr. after he retired. And then it tells you the whole history right here.
For like the Mars bars?
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
He actually moved here in 1978.
That's wonderful.
So come on over. You've got to taste your chocolate now.
Time to taste the chocolate. All right. Let's do this.
We have to have you do that because we have to capture you. She's got dark. I've got milk.
Dark chocolate actually really good antioxidants.
Mm-hmm. And you see how smooth it is. It melts in your mouth.
I think the only place that I know does this really well like this, Dove chocolate.
And I'm going to show you, when we go inside, you're going to see different dark chocolate and the percentages.
Okay.
So here we are starting the factory. Even though nothing is happening right now, this is a working factory. Again, when you come different days, today is Friday, nothing is happening now. Come tomorrow, come the day before, something's happening. It just depends on what they're doing. But it is a working factory, it's not just for show. So it tells you right here on the glass, this is number 1, cream beater. It tells you what there is. Look at how big that machine is.
Oh wow.
Number 2, open flame cooker. Tells you what that is as we go along.
Open flame cooker. Okay.
Cooling vessels.
Looks like a hot pot, like
Right?
a fondue pot over there.
The milk chocolate is amazing.
Man. The flavor is still in my mouth of dark chocolate. It's
Isn't it good?
great.
Vacuum mixers. My favorite is this one.
Melting
They make
tanks.
Over 1,000 pounds of chocolate. See on the very top? They drop the chocolate in, melts in there, and if you can see all the tubes go all over, well now you're going to see as we move further where the chocolate, the depositories go right into those molds. See coming all the way. Now you see the molds dropped into the molds. Now they go under here and are actually cooling all the way down. They go all the way under here. This shows you their most popular chocolate. Right there on the top, the lemon cream satin. It's amazing. Dark chocolate with lemon inside. Amazing.
Anything dark chocolate with fruity inside is
Is your
good for
thing,
me.
Comes all the way down. And then, oh, we're going to see some workers down here in the end where they're actually taking the chocolates out.
Ah.
You can see.
There's usually a lady standing right here that I don't like. She throws a lot of chocolate away. She's a quality control.
Oh no.
Quality control.
Yeah. If it makes it past her, it's going to get packaged. But some days she's got a big old trash can with a big old blue liner in it, and it don't make it past her, and it ain't going to make it out of here.
How do
I
they
told her
know
one day.
that it's good chocolate or not
Remember
good
looking
chocolate,
at
though?
imperfections on how it was in the mold. You see they're packaging them right there, all the way down. Look how many workers are down there. Then when you come this way, you've got a great. Again, we talked about Instagram selfie station.
Selfie station.
Yeah, everybody wants their photo in front of this chocolate box. Plus, it tells you the story on the classic collection about, as what we were talking about before, 16 of their original pieces, Forrest Mars Sr., and talks about the recipes from 1911 like we talked about when we first came in.
Okay.
So everybody wants this photo. Great, they pretend they're eating the chocolate, having fun, and now we end up in the actual store. So we're going to go over to the case, and let me show you. In the case, some of the chocolate is so beautiful, it doesn't even look like you want to eat it. Follow me. Hi guys, how are you?
Hi.
How are
We're doing good.
you? Take a look here. See the cognac?
There's like cognac.
Cognac,
one. Oh my
hand
goodness.
painted.
Ooh, agave
You
tequila.
have bourbon, agave tequila.
We're gonna get to the
Beautiful candy. You don't even want to take it
Yeah.
apart. Look at this one.
They look like little barrels.
Vanilla
That's so
truffle.
cool.
now we're gonna do.
I think this is beautiful. And they're all presented really nice. Now, of course, here in the store, you can buy prepackaged items. And one of the features that's really fun to do is to create your own box. Because some people might like certain ones. Yes. Thank you so much. You gotta try the pecan brittle. It's amazing. Gotta try it. Thank you. Gotta try it. So imagine the fun creating your own box. Maybe you have a favorite. Maybe agave is your favorite. You don't want just one. You want to buy a box of 6 of those and 6 of those. So creating your box, a personal box here, is a fun experience as well. Butter. You taste the butter?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Right? Very famous product here.
I'm not really into sweets, but for some reason this is really good.
It's really good.
Oh my gosh.
Store. Let me show you something over here. Let's go this way.
And
I got something just for you.
What are you going to show?
For me.
Yeah, come over here. This is what we were talking about. Before you were talking about the antioxidants and different things.
Look, they have a Philippine one.
Yeah.
That's super cool. Does it have mango in it?
So then over here you've got some cool cupcakes of that nature. I have
She
to
was
tell you.
melting the regular chocolate. She had already done all the dipping for the dark chocolate up there. And this is the case that it comes into.
So I have to tell you, everybody likes to say they have the best hot chocolate. I have the best, I have the best. They say they have the best. In the winter, I said I'm going to experience this. I have to tell you, it was the best. And you know why this hot chocolate was amazing? It's not powder. It's the actual chocolate, Ethel M Chocolate, melted, mixed in the machine, and made like a cappuccino with the froth, with the milk that's frothed. And they make this hot chocolate. It is to die for. So, again, in the summer you don't have it. In the summer they alter with the amazing milkshakes. But the hot chocolate in the winter is awesome.
Wow. Ooh,
All right,
man.
you want to take a show? You
I am.
Cacti
Cactus
Gardens.
Cafe.
Cacti Gardens.
So you get your drinks, your food, and everything.
All right, let's
All
go
right.
outside for a moment. And
Going
we're gonna
outside.
see the gardens. So
Ooh.
many pathways. We can walk this way. We can go all the way around. And again, some people like to do this. Some people are into it, and other people say, I'm not. Totally your preference, but we give you plenty of time to do that or to sit down and just relax for about 15-20 minutes until we go to our next location. And again, it depends on the weather. Some people say it's too hot, and again, if it's not in the summertime, a lot of people want to see the cacti. And we can see here, this one here blooming. Over here you see flowers. Over here, right? It's a great nature place if that's your thing.
Oh,
right?
yes.
So some people, this is an added bonus.
I'm an outdoors kind of person.
Look
so.
at all the species.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know it was this big.
Yeah, look at how many pathways all the way through. And it tells you, isn't it cute? Chocolate walk, cocoa way.
I love it.
Yeah.
All right.
So you can see all of that, and
It's a great place to get lost, guys. This is where I might end up getting lost one day. Coming in here, enjoying your chocolates and truffles.
tells
and,
you along the way what you're looking at.
Yeah. Look at this. This is nice.
Yeah.
Very educational.
Yep.
You get your
Yeah.
chocolates.
Good
and all
for
you get your
families.
education. Yes,
Right.
kids.
Good for kids. Kids give them a little chocolate, and then give them some education as well. All right.
So many colorful plants too.
Right. So
It's like-
different.
You never knew it would ever grow in the desert.
Well, and can you imagine 40 years ago how small it must have been, right?
Yeah.
What did they have versus what they have now? Isn't that something?
But you know what? There is a lot of color in the desert.
Oh my gosh, there is. There is. All right, well, we are going to get back into our vehicle and head to our 4th destination.
All right, let's do that.